Ben Mullins here with MarineMax Lake at the Ozark. I'm standing in front of this 2025 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. This boat is equipped with the Mercury 350 horsepower white edition with the optional joystick. It is white exterior with the black accent. Has the upgraded pillow top furniture on the interior here. This boat has the center walk-through dual hum configuration. Lots of seating for all your friends and family. Does have the wood grain package here. USB, USB and all the mouse holes. Does have the American flag here. So deep storage for life jackets. Does come with quick connect fender system and a cooler bag here. Very, very deep. Has the raised helm. Nice wood grain steering wheel here. Joystick feature, digital throttle, dual SIMRAD screens. This boat does come with the Ion power tower. Very good looking boat, sleek boat. It definitely isn't your grandpa's pontoon out on the water anymore. Nice rear seating here. Nice area to jump off the side when you're coving out with friends and family. And when you are, you have this nice wide multi-step ladder back here. Again, the 350 horsepower Mercury will push this boat right along. For more information, you can call us 573-606-3022. Again, this is a 2025 Harris 250 Grand Mariner. Look forward to getting you out on the water.